how credit card works. To understand this, first we should know billing cycle or statement period. That is 1 month period given by credit card companies during which whatever shopping we do during that period will get considered. For example, in our case, if you suppose you did the shopping from 19th of last month to 18th of this month is your billing cycle. So whatever shopping you did during that period only will be considered, and on the 18th your bill will get generated, that is statement generate date. So you do shopping from 19th of last month to 18th of this month, and on 18th your bill will get generated. Whatever shopping you have done on this cycle, you can see on the statement whatever generated on that date. Then next comes is payment due date. Now you did the shopping during this, now you will get again 10 to 15 days more to pay the outstanding amount which you have used on credit. So maybe this is, suppose for example in your case it is 5th of the next month. So this comes generally after 15 to 25 days. Again it may vary from person to person and from companies to company. So you will get again that 15 to 20 days window to pay the outstanding which you have used. So if you pay within that payment due date, you don't have to worry. You have used money for 30 to 45 days freely and you don't have to pay any interest on that. But if you are not able to pay the total outstanding which you have used during 19th of the last month to 18th of this month, then in that case you have another option, and that is minimum payment due. Minimum payment due is nothing but 5% to 10% of whatever outstanding you have used. It again may vary from company to company. Suppose for example you made the shopping of 1 lakh rupees last month, and suppose in your case minimum payment due is 10%. So if you pay 10%, that is 10,000 in your case, then what is the benefit? You don't have to pay the late payment charges and your CIBIL will not get reported. But the interest will get charged from the date of transaction, from the date where you did the shopping on the remaining amount. But your CIBIL will not get spoiled in that case, and no need to worry for late payment charges. But interest is getting accrued there. But if even you will not be able to pay minimum due amount, in that case your account will go into delinquency. Whatever further transaction you will do, that also you will not get the credit for that transactions. You will have to pay the late payment charges. They may levy extra interest on you, and your CIBIL also will get reported. So if you use the credit card wisely, you may take benefit, but you need to understand, you need to remember that the interest on credit card, if you see on annual basis, it is near about 40 to 50%. If you see you are investing your money somewhere, you struggle to get consistently 15% interest rate. But against that, if you will not use your credit card wisely, you have to pay 40 to 50% interest rate. So you should use the credit card wisely.